to all the content creators, upcoming content creators, inspiring content YouTubers, whatever. Okay, so y'all know the snowstorming up, and if y'all want to take advantage of this time, because y'all know people gonna be in the house scrolling, post your content. Start posting. You gotta start somewhere, and of course, it may start off a little slow, but maybe it's gonna pick up. People may not engage with your content the way you want them to. They may not comment, whatever the case is, but maybe the views gonna be there. So use this time to create and do what you need to do. And stop worrying about what he's saying, what she's saying, because 9 times out of 10, they don't have the courage to do it themselves. Why listen to somebody who don't even know what we're talking about? Anywho, post the content, get up, get it going.